Hello to all. Today I have one surprise review for you. Today we speak for Rusty Peace, one of the best albums ever made, one of the best thrash metal general albums ever. And if you think I listen only Metallica, you are mistaken. I'm a big fan of Megadeth, of Slayer, of many other metal bands or no metal bands in general. But today I have one of my very favorite albums, and this is the Rusty Peace. It is probably one of my top 10 albums ever, and I'll learn a little later when I learn Metallica, because Mustaine, it is a child of Metallica, a child of thrash metal. This guy and James Hetfield together created the thrash metal. Anyway, today I want to make one short vinyl comparison. As you see, I do not have many vinyl presses of this album. I have only 3. And the reason is because every vinyl pressing of this album cost a small fortune, guys. Whatever vinyl you see from this album, especially from the in the originals in 90, cost more than 100 euros. Every vinyl, even if it is the vinyl from my fucking country, that costs now 120, 30 euros. It is really incredible. Anyway, I own 3 pressings, and I'm waiting to receive my third pressing, and to make this review. I receive it, I listen it, I give time, I make some comparison, this, that. Anyway, I will say more in later. Okay, so I have only 3 pressings to compare, no more. Okay, in the last position, in the 3rd place, this is from my country, Greece. This is original pressing, and to my surprises, this vinyl have the same stampers with the original Europe pressing. What that means? That means that the same cutting engineer from the same machine, both vinyl are from the same cutting engineer from the same machine. Both, they contain the same mastering. They have the same stampers. That means, so they have the same mastering, so they have a probably identical sound. The difference is where they pressed. The Europe probably pressed in Germany or the Netherlands, and this pressed in Greece. They have the stammer, they have the mastering, and the pressing. So I assume this sound similar with the Europe, maybe a little worse, but no big difference. And this is my least favorite album pressing, guys. The sound from here is very muddy. The bass is the bass covered a lot. The sound, the bass is more louder than the guitars, Mustaine vocals. Really, the bass mess the clarity of the sound, guys, and really I cannot enjoy the album here. From the CD, I prefer to listen to the album. Here is more flat. The sound from here more. How to say it? More sharp, even more. Not so alive, with less bass, more brighter, but here the sound it is very muddy. Has a bass, but has a tone of bass, so really I cannot enjoy the album. And I assume the original Europe sound like that, maybe a little better, I do not know, maybe the pressing was better quality, but I will not go and pay 130 euros to buy the Europe and see if it is sound a little different or not. Because they have the same stamper. So this is my least favorite copy. I prefer to listen to the album from CD. In the 2nd position, I have this. And before I speak this, let me say you something. In the 2004, Mustaine decided to make all his album remixed, because he make for his debut album Killing Is My Business remix in 2002, and the result satisfied him, and he decided to make for all his album remix remastered version in 2004. So he take one by one and make it. But when it comes with this album, with Rusty Peace, he do not find the original vocals, the original masters. Really, I have no words to describe this. He do not find. So what he did, he recorded new vocals in Techno Prisoners. He recorded new vocals in Five Magic, if I remember correctly. So you cannot have the original album. It's like you have one combination of 2004 and 90 album. It was little new, little old, like that. Also the drums was like new. The drums, still I remember the drums of this version, guys. Of this version of the remastered mix. This is the CD he released. Really, the drums make my dreams nightmare, guys. These drums from behind is like a nightmare. It's like some other person, some other drummer record the drums in some different band, in some different studio. Really, they sound like I listen Dream Theater. I listen something has nothing similar with this album, guys. Really, the drums and. Anyway, and he do not find the original masters, this, that, and he make the remix, and all the remix series was a disaster, but today we speak for this album, and was a disaster, and but to my surprises, in 2008, maybe they found it, and they released this version. This version has the hype sticker from the Capitol Vaults, 180-gram vinyl, audiophile quality, faithful, restored. Limited edition. This came out 2008 in USA. 2008, yes, October 2008 in USA. So I assume they find the original, and this contained the original mix, not the ugly, atrocious 2004 remix. This contained the original mix, but is remastered. It is the original mix, but is remastered. Okay, this takes my second position. This sound like the CD, the original CD. No big difference. Little more bass, but the sound is little muffled. No have power to go out from your speakers. And in general, this album was like that. It was recorded very poor. I do not like the mix, the original mix either. Has no power to go out from your speakers, was very muffled, very not so loud. It reminded me little the Master of Puppets that have no so power to go out from your speaker. And this vinyl pressing no pressed hot, some muffled. You need to put a lot of volume to listen the album a little louder, but not have the explosion, lacks of explosion, lacks of passion. Like the original album from the CD. If you ask me what is better, maybe it's this. Has a little more bass, a little more warmer sound, but this do the job, guys. The original CD always. No buy this. No listen to album from here. You listen to different album. This is not the original Rusty Peace. This has nothing to do with the Rusty Peace, guys. This. No buy this, no give to your kids this English shitty, one of the worst remastered I have ever listened in my life. Remix remastered. So like that I feel this pressing, and also it was the most value pressing, and now cost guys 60-70 euros. It came out as a limited edition in 2008 and now cost 70 euros. You can find the same mastering with the later versions of the album, the 2017, 2020, 22, I don't remember. You can find identical in the Devax identical Matrix 9 out, but probably you do not find the hype sticker. So the sellers know, and they charge the fucking hype stickers one fortune, 70, 80, and this go to 100. It will go up and up and up, but still it is one of the most valuable pressings. If you want to listen to the album from the vinyl, is okay, it's good, but nothing too amazing. It is like I buy it, I enjoy it, but it's better me listen to the album from the original CD from some MP3 than I put this here, nothing too amazing. And in the first position, I have one, in my opinion, probably the best pressing of the album ever made. And I have with me the original UK pressing, guys. And it cost me a lot of money. I buy it 140 euros, and I was lucky. Near mint condition, guys. Near mint. This is the original UK pressing, and let me show you something. Before I buy this, I was very upset. What is the best sounding version of this album, because every fucking vinyl cost one fortune. I was very upset because I buy the 2008. I have my Greece that share the Europe stampers. I was not satisfied. I buy this again. I was not so satisfied, and I was say, okay, I need to buy some original. But what original? The other options was the UK and the US. The original US, it is very rare and costs now, there's 300, 400 euros. It's not reachable. And it is like more collective material and nothing more. It is not, you do not pay for the quality so many money. The people who pay so much money is the people that have everything from this album, everything from this band, and they want to have this to finish the puzzle like that. Anyway, I was very upset, and what I did what I did every time. I searched for vinyl FLAC rips and see how the original US sound, how this UK sound. I found 2-3. I was lucky. I found 2-3 for 2-3 different guys, and I make comparison. Of course, you say me, from the vinyl FLAC rip, you cannot understand how one vinyl sound. What the fuck are you doing? Yes, you're right, but when fucking vinyl costs 300, 400, 500 euros, I need something to rely, guys. I cannot go and say, YOLO, go and pay 500 euros. I need something to rely. And with Metallica and this and that other bands, the FLAC rip, it was not so away from the general result. Of course, when I buy the vinyl, I really understand how it sounds, but when I listen from a FLAC rip vinyl audio, I was somewhere there. I really had one impression how the vinyl will sound. So I make one comparison with the UK and the US pressing in vinyl FLAC, and I see always in the three guys, I find it always the UK beat the US in the FLAC rip. The US sound has more low profile, little more muddy. The guitar not have so explosions, the solo not so explosion against the UK. The UK in all FLAC win in the riffs, in the top end, in the solos always win. So I was pretty sure that this vinyl must be the definitive version of the album. Also in Discogs, if you go and see, of course, Discogs is no something that you can rely from the people, because everyone say his bullshit without arguments and without comparison. But it was very suspicious, because in the US and the Europe, the people not say, "Oh, this press is amazing." It is very few people they say this, but in the UK page, all people say this sound phenomenal, this is amazing, this. And when this happens, it is like really the people who listen this, they get impressed and go and make a comment. In the other US and Europe, they do not get so impressed, so I assume they do not make comments. So I was pretty sure that this is the definitive version of the album, but I did not do the mistake what I did in Metallica, and I did not go to Discord and say, hey guys, probably this is the best version of the album, because every time I did this, the users of Discogs go and buy whatever price they see this vinyl that I have speak, or other people with comparison speak, and the sellers up the price, guys. Now the Columbia House of Metallica albums and some good sounding Metallica records have go insane, out of control, because the people go and say, including me, this pressing is the best of the album, and the seller go from 80 euros to go to 80, 100 euros the pressings, because they say, oh, this is the best pressing of the album. We charge. Also, it was not mistake of the sellers, it was the mistake of the buyers, because the buyers say, okay, this is the best pressing, I do not fucking care, I pay 300, 400, 500, because there is sellers in Discogs that put prices whatever they want. The medium is 80 euros and one seller put 500 euros because he do not fucking care. And the guy go and buy 500, he do not fucking care. So the other sellers see this and they up the prices. This was the mistake, guys. Not pay so much money for some pressings. Anyway, I stopped to write in Discord for this reason. I do not want to give money to flippers and to these sellers, and I hope you do not do this. Let's keep here our knowledge here in these videos. Let's keep their knowledge inside us. I said this because you are my subscribers, or I assume you are people who want to listen one good sounding version of these albums, but let's keep a low profile, what the pressing is best. Everyone who wants to know, better see the video, but he keep it for him. No, go and write in Discogs. So I was pretty sure in the beginning that this must be the definitive version of the album, and really, this version, when I put it in my system, I see the difference, guys. It is not something wow, something crazy, something ultra high quality, but for this album that it was has a poor mix, poor production in general, in my opinion, always my opinion, this pressing gives the power it needs. The sound is have more explosion, go better out of your speakers. The solos is the best solos I have ever listened from any other pressing. It's like Mustaine or Friedman press the pedal in my face and start to play guitar in my room. The solos sound amazing if you're here. But again, this version has little more up the bass and little mess the sound, like the Europe or the 2008 Vals or probably the US. That in Discogs, many people say it is very bad pressing. It is not so good pressing and not deserve the 300-400. Still, this pressing has little more the bass, the tones, it is very loud, the drums is very loud and very natural. It's the most natural drums I have listened, the solo is the most natural I have listened, but the general result is great, guys. It's much better than the 2008, much better, of course, than the Grease that shared the same stuff with the Europe, and much better than the CD, guys, the original CD. Still, if you ask me if it deserves to buy 150 euros for this copy, I do not believe the sound quality deserves such money, guys. You can enjoy the album from here, but if you want really the best pressing of the album, maybe it's this. I'm not so sure. Maybe it's this. I do not know. Also, I want to mention that this probably was DMM process, because in the Dead Wax has the letter D. When they have the letter D, this means DMM process. But in general, I'm allergic with DMM process. But this album, like Master of Puppets, need this process to have more power, because this process gives more power to the instruments, more explosion, and this album really needed. Also, I own some in the early 90s, some EMI DMM pressings from Iron Maiden and Metallica, and this pressing, some singles. No, we need some singles, and this pressing probably is the best pressings of the songs I have ever listened, maybe in one review I make. So I assume this was cut from the same machine, and this must be again amazing, like the singles of Iron Maiden and Metallica. I have it. So I was very studied before I buy this, and really this pressing, guys, is amazing. It's probably the best I have listened from the album. No problem, it's secure. It's the UK. You see it here, Est. If you see Est, and here catalog number Est 2132, and the Dead Wax, you see you go to Discog and see what material now it has, and also you see the D, it has one D in the end. So that is my opinion, that I believe, but if you want to make your own research, make a comment. If you want some other pressing, tell me your opinion. But for me, this pressing is amazing. I think it is probably the best version. I do not go and risk and pay 400 or 500 for the US pressing, because also I did not go and buy South Korea Spain pressing like that because I have did it in Metallica, and always I collect so many city pressings. I always believe US, UK, Europe. This is the pressings that you must rely. Anyway, this is my review, guys. This is my review comparison. I hope you find it helpful. As always, this is my opinion. Not take my words as sure. No pay for me. No pay for what I believe. Just consider me as an extra guide. Nothing more. Okay. See you guys. See you in the next one. Ciao, ciao. Bye.